How to fix Telegram app server error. Internal server error occurred. Please try again later. Problem step-by-step detailed solution. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a strong and stable internet connection. You can do this by trying to access other websites or apps on your device. If you are not able to connect to the internet, try restarting your router or modem. Method 2. Update the Telegram app. To do this, go to Play Store. Search for Telegram. Go to Telegram. If there is any update, update it. Method 3. Clear the Telegram app cache and data. This will remove any temporary files that may be causing the error. To clear the app cache and data, long press on Telegram. Then click on App Info. Then click on Force Stop. Then go to Storage Cache, click on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Then go back. Click on Permissions. And allow all permissions. Method 4. Reinstall the Telegram app. If you have tried all of the above steps and the error is still persisting, you can try reinstalling the Telegram app. This will remove the app completely and then install it again from the App Store or Play Store. If you are still having trouble with the Telegram app, you can try contacting the Telegram support team for help. Like the video. Subscribe to TechSoar.